Yeah.
Is that smoke supposed to be like that or what?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can see much better with the shade.
I can't even tell if I'm catching it in video. I can't even see the screen, so I don't even know if I'm on point. That thing is fucking moving. I want one so bad. And that's not even loud for a... But it is pushing that thing. Oh, I hope he does a low flyby. That would be fucking awesome. That thing is so vicious. God, I want one.
To be honest with you, you put a little machine gun on that shit, dude?
Yeah, dude, that's a friggin' attack drone right there.
Fucking someone up, son.
Hell yeah.
You're really fucking someone up. Or even dropping little bombs or some shit.
That thing has no, like, lag whatsoever. When he goes up with it, it doesn't slow down 1 mile an hour. God, I want one. I'm afraid to turn off the video because he's probably going to do something friggin' awesome that I'm just not going to catch on video. Oh, straight over. I thought he was going to go straight over.